Good morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 3.4, problem number 19. If cos of alpha minus beta plus cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha equal to minus 3 by 2, then prove that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal to sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma equal to 0. So this statement, this equation we are going to prove by using these conditions. Okay. So anyway, first I am going to take the condition. Here we have cos alpha minus beta. I am going to expand cos x minus y formula. Here also cos x minus y formula. Here also cos. Using the formula, I am going to expand all the three terms. So what will happen? Cos x minus y formula is cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So this is this we know very well. I told you already that we have to memorize all the formulas. Okay, now expand this. Cos alpha minus, here we have to consider x as alpha, y as beta. So cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is expansion of first term. Second, here this is x, this is y plus cos beta cos gamma plus sin beta sin gamma plus. Next third term, this is x, this is y, cos gamma cos alpha plus sin gamma sin alpha equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, after expanding, I am going to bring this 2 to left hand side. So if you bring 2 this side, this 2 will be multiplied with whole LHS side, whole LHS side. So directly I am multiplying 2 inside all the terms. So what will happen? 2 cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, sorry, 2 into plus 2 into cos beta cos gamma plus 2 into sin beta sin gamma plus 2 into cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 into sin gamma sin alpha equal to, here we have minus 3 in right hand side. So instead of minus 3, I am going to write minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So why we are doing all these things? Because we need to bring this answer. For this answer, we have to do all these things. So we have to separate minus 3 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Instead of minus 3, we can write minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next step, I am going to bring the minus 1, all the minus 1 to left hand side. So what will happen? 2 cos alpha. Once again, I am going to write the left hand side as it is. Cos beta 2 into sin alpha sin beta plus 2 into cos beta cos gamma plus 2 into sin beta sin gamma plus 2 into cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 into sin gamma sin alpha. So I am going to take all this minus 1 to this side. Automatically it will plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now once again, We know that instead of 1, we can write, we know the formula, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. So here I am going to write, once again you write this, all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, once again the same, write as it is, cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha. For this one, I am going to write, instead of 1, I can write cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Next one, instead of this one, I am going to write cos square beta plus sin square beta, because we have alpha, beta and gamma, 3 components we have. So we have to write all the 3 in this property. So first alpha, since we have alpha, we have given, instead of 1, I have written for this one cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Here for this one, I am going to write cos square beta plus sin square beta. For this one, I am going to write cos square gamma plus sin square gamma equal to 0. That's all. Now I am going to grouping these terms. How can we make a groups? We have a 2 functions separately. One is cos function, another one is sin function. So I am going to separate cos function first and then sin function. First separate the cos functions. Cos square alpha, cos square beta we have, cos square gamma we have. Next, in this term, what are the cos functions we have? This one, cos alpha beta, cos beta gamma, cos gamma alpha. That I am just making groups in the terms. Okay, 2 cos, alpha cos beta plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 into cos gamma cos alpha. So this one group. Next, plus. Next, we have a sin function. So that is separate. Next group. Sin square alpha, sin square beta plus sin square gamma plus 2 into sin alpha sin beta plus 2 into sin beta sin gamma plus 2 into sin gamma and sin alpha equal to 0. After grouping, we just look at this step. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta, 2 cos alpha this is beta and gamma. So cos beta cos gamma and cos gamma cos alpha. Here sin square beta, sin square alpha, sin beta, 2 in sin beta, sin gamma, sin alpha. So after this step, look at this step. Here we have cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma plus 2 into cos alpha cos beta plus 2 into cos beta cos gamma plus 2 into cos alpha cos gamma cos alpha. If you look at this, so I can remember the algebraic formula a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So I am going to use this algebraic formula to express this step. See, look at this, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here, a square, instead of a square, what is there? Cos square alpha. Instead of b square, cos square beta. Instead of c square, cos square gamma. So this is, here we consider a as cos alpha, b as cos beta, c as cos gamma. So we have an expression, this right hand side expression we have. So I am going to short out this left hand side expression. We can write a plus b plus c. A, what is a? Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, whole power 2 we can write. So here cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square. This is left hand side expression. Next go to the next term, sin square alpha, sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Here also same expression we have in the right hand side. So instead of right hand side expression, we can write left hand side. What is left hand side? Here instead of a, we have to write the sin alpha, instead of b, sin beta, instead of c, sin gamma. So this can be written as sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma equal to 0. After expressing this, square here. After this expression, we have to prove cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma. Okay, in this case, look at here, look at it. After that, seeing this expression, immediately we have to remember that whenever you have sum of the squares equal to 0 means, immediately we can say x supposed to be 0, y supposed to be 0. This concept I am going to use, because sum of the squares equal to 0 means both value supposed to be 0, no other possibilities. So directly we can say x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Here also the same format. Here sum of the squares equal to 0. We can write this term equal to 0 and this term supposed to be 0. Then only we can have an answer 0. So if you express like this, we will get the answer. Cos square alpha, cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma equal to 0 and sin alpha, sin beta, sin gamma equal to 0. So we have proved the given answer. So hence proved. So in this case, if you want to solve this problem, we have to remember that 2 supposed to bring this side and multiply throughout the left hand side, and 3 supposed to be written as minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then we have to take it this side. Then we have to apply this formula. Then we have a grouping sin separately, cos separately. Then we have to remember this algebraic formula. Then only we will get the answer. So by this, problem number 19 is over. Next problem, problem number 20. We have show that two subdivisions. One is tan 45 degree plus A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan A minus 1 minus tan A. This is what we have to prove. It's very easy. Let's just write tan 45 degree plus A. We have a formula tan A plus B. Formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this formula we know that. So here we have A plus B formula because we have a 45 degree plus A. So this is considered as A, this is considered as B. Tan A plus B formula I am going to use tan 45, tan A tan 45, tan B is tan A divided by 1 minus tan 45 degree into tan A. So here tan 45 value 1 plus tan A by 1 minus tan 45 degree 1, no need to write 1 because always 1 is hiding, So tan 45 degree value is 1. So tan A, we got the RHS side, hence proved. Next, second subdivision, tan 45 degree minus A equal to 1 minus tan A 1 plus tan A. Here I am going to use tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus B formula is tan A minus tan B by 1 minus 1 plus tan A tan B. This formula we can use. So taking LHS side, tan 45 minus A. So here A is 45, B is A. So here express tan A minus B A minus B formula, tan A tan 45 minus tan B is tan A 1 plus tan 45 tan A. Now tan 45 value is 1 minus tan A by 1 plus tan 45 1 into tan A equal to RHS side. So hence proved. Now question number 21. Is prove that cot A plus B equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A plus cot B. See here we have given cot A plus B. I am going to take LHS side and prove RHS side. Here cot LHS side, cot A plus B. So we don't have any formula for cot A plus B. So here what I am going to do, I am going to convert cot into tan. How can we convert it? Cot reciprocal tan. So it can be written as 1 by tan A plus B. So this can be written as 1 by tan A plus B formula is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Take the denominator to numerator to take reciprocal. It will be 1 minus tan A tan B by tan A plus tan B. Here we got the answer as tan A tan B tan A plus tan B. Here we have to bring the answer cot A cot B minus 1 cot. So this is not cot, cos cot. Okay, now cot A plus cot B. Okay, here how can we change it tan into cot? Immediately we have to remember that tan A is the reciprocal is 1 by cot A into 1 by cot B whole divided by cot A 1 by cot A plus 1 by cot B. To take common LCM, the numerator and denominator. The numerator we have 1 minus 1 by, the denominator is 1 by cos A cot, not cos, it is cot. So 1 by cot A, 1 by cot A, 1 by cot A cot B. Take for LCM, I am just cross multiplying with 1, it is cot A cot B minus 1 by cot A cot B whole divided by the denominator. We have common denominator is cot A cot B. Just cross multiply cot B plus cot A. So the denominators can be cancelled. Then the remaining numerator is cot A cot B minus 1 divided by cot B cot A plus cot B. It is right hand side, hence proved. So problem number 21 is over. Question number 22. If tan x equal to n by n plus 1, tan y equal to 1 by 2n plus 1, to find tan x plus tan y. So this what we tan of x plus y we have to find out. So tan x plus y formula is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So this is the formula I am going to use here. So the formula is, apply the values. Here we have given values, tan x value, tan y value. So directly I am going to apply the values here. Tan x value n by n plus 1 plus 1 by 2n plus 1 whole divided by 1 minus n by n plus 1 into 1 by 2n plus 1. Just cross multiply for the LCM. The numerator, what is the denominator of the numerator? N plus 1 into 2n plus 1 is the common denominator. N plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So we have to cross multiply this in the numerators. So n into 2n plus 1 plus 1 into n plus 1 whole divided by, here the denominator is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into cross multiply with 1. So it is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 minus numerator is n divided by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. So we know that denominators will be cancelled. Numerator multiply the bracket inside 2n square plus n plus 1 divided by, multiply this 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 into 1 1 minus n, plus n minus n will be cancelled. So in the numerator 2n square plus n 2n plus 1 whole divided by 2n square plus 2n plus 1. Numerator and denominator can be cancelled because this both numerator and denominator same. So if you cancel it, answer is 1. So tan of x plus y equal to 1. So this is the answer for tan of x plus y. Next, problem number 23. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan 3 pi by 4 plus theta equal to minus 1. So here I am going to take LHS side and prove RHS side as usual. LHS side tan pi by theta 3 pi by theta equal to, it is called its tan A plus B formula. We can use it here to express the left hand side. So tan A plus B value is tan A plus tan B. B is theta here. Here tan A is 5 before, B is theta divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 and tan theta into, here this is A, this is B, tan A, again the same formula, 3 pi by 4 plus tan theta whole divided by 1 minus tan 3 pi by 4 into tan theta. So after expressing the tan A plus B formula, so we have to find out, we have to apply the values for tan pi by 4 and tan 3 pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 values, we know that it is tan pi by 4, it is tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value is 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus, this is tan pi by 4 value is 1 into tan theta. So this is one value. Here we have to find out tan 3 pi by 4 value. So this can be written as tan 3 into pi value is 180 by 4, cancel it, 4 times plus 4 times, remaining 2 5 times. So tan 3 by 4 is tan 3 into 45, 135 degree. So how can we find out the tan 135 degree? We have to split tan 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45. So 90 plus 45 which quadrant? 90 plus second quadrant. 90 plus second quadrant. 90 plus second quadrant. So second quadrant tan value is minus. Then we have 90 here. I told you 90 and 270. We have to change the co-ratio. Tan co-ratio is cot 45 degree. So minus 1, cot 45 degree value 1. So here tan 3 by 4 value is minus 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus, here it is minus 1 into tan theta minus tan theta, here 1 minus, so it will become plus. So minus 1 into tan theta minus tan theta, here tan minus 1 is already is there, minus into minus plus tan theta. Here multiply the denominators, if you multiply the denominator, a minus b into a plus b, no, the denominator a minus b into a plus b format. So a square minus b square we can write. So 1 square minus tan square theta we can write, 1 square we can write as 1. Then multiply the numerator, minus 1 into minus 1, 1 into plus tan theta, then plus into minus tan theta, plus into plus tan square theta. So here minus tan theta and plus tan theta will be cancelled. So remaining we can write so what is remaining in the numerator? Equal to minus 1 plus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So actually here we have to bring answer minus 1. So how can we bring the answer minus 1? Here I am going to take minus 1 commonly outside in the numerator. It will become minus 1 will become positive, plus tan square theta will become negative. by 1 minus tan square. If you take minus commonly outside, the numerator and denominator value will be equal. So we can cancel it. So minus, if after cancelling, this is 1 into minus 1, this minus 1 equal to RHS side. Hence, proved. So by this, we can complete today's class. The remaining problems we will see in the next class. Thank you.